Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over some emergency items you should always keep on hand to keep your axolotl safe. To begin, we are going to be talking about water quality emergencies. One thing you should always have on hand is a liquid water test kit. I use this one from API. And next, you are always going to want to keep a water dechlorinator on hand. I use Seachem Prime. A turkey baster or an aquarium siphon for quick waste removal. Axolotls need cold water, so for temperature emergencies, I like to keep on hand frozen water bottles. I use a chiller to keep his tank cool, but in the event my chiller would break or there would be a power outage, I keep plenty of these on hand in the freezer. My chiller displays the tank temperature on the front, but as a backup, I also keep a thermometer floating in the tank. In the event of a power outage, I also keep a battery-powered air pump. This will allow you to keep your filter working if you use a sponge filter. Axolotls can get injured or stressed easily, so for health and injury items, I'd recommend having on hand Indian almond leaves. These release tannins in the water and can help with mild stress and healing. I keep 2 tubs on hand in case my axolotl would need to be tubbed. If your axolotl is tubbed, they will need 100% water changes at least every 24 hours since they aren't in a cycled tank to keep the ammonia and nitrites down. So I keep 2 tubs on hand, so I would always have a fresh dechlorinated tub waiting for him to be quickly transported into. For lids on the tub, you can use the ones that come with it and drill holes in it, or I use these egg crates. And finally, to transport him back and forth between 2 tubs, I use this silicone vegetable steamer. Having these items ready can possibly save your axolotl's life. Emergencies are stressful, but preparation can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and feel free to comment with any emergency items I may have missed. And thank you for watching.